Hi, I'm Matsuda here with some of my fine fourth graders. And we have noticed that there is a problem. I think it is a nationwide, probably worldwide problem, where oftentimes students are afraid to speak out when they don't understand something. So here we have live from the front lines of students. Emma, what prevents you from speaking out when you don't understand something?
I just feel like embarrassed.
What about you, Leah?
Like
Louder?
I don't want to interrupt the teacher.
Oh, so you're thinking of me.
Yeah.
You don't want to get me all confused.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, Hannah, what about you?
I was afraid if I was the only one to ask.
Oh, you thought maybe you were the only one who didn't understand. Well, this video is really dedicated to Andy right here, because during math a couple weeks ago, he just raised his hand and said, I don't understand what's happening. And I would like Andy to tell us what gave you the courage to do that.
Well, I
Look
just,
right into the camera.
Well, I just raised my hand because I didn't know what to do.
You didn't know what to do. And so you didn't care about being embarrassed,
No.
or you weren't worried about me. You were just like, help.
Yeah, help me.
Well, you know, it's really interesting. Cole has a different perspective on raising his hand than these three. Tell us how you feel about raising your hand when you're stuck, Cole.
I'm not scared at all. You just called an Andy first.
But here's the thing that we want to share with you. When Andy raised his hand and said that, then this hand went up. And then this hand went up. And I said, wait a minute, who else doesn't understand this? And then this hand went. You see the beauty. This is all from your courage to say, help, I need help. And we are hoping that you can share this with your loved ones, with your students, with your children about, should we be afraid and embarrassed when we need help?
No.
We shouldn't. We should just, let's do it. Help.
Help me.
We don't understand. We don't understand.
We don't understand.
I'm Matsuda, and this is my fourth grade class.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.